Good morning, all the students of fifth standard. And see, we have completed our two lessons of EVS or the histories there. And today we are going to start the third one lesson, that is life on the earth. So, we are living on earth in our solar system. There are many planets are there, and sun is one of the biggest star there in our solar system. It is in central place or the positions there. So along with the earth, eight planets are there, and what is that, Pluto is also there. So among all the planet, earth is only one planet where life is exist. So where the symptoms are means living things can be survived, that is only on the earth. So the formation of the earth, and along with that, beginning of the means earth there, how animals came in the world, that will see in this lesson that. So among through this lesson or in this lesson, what is that important one, that is how life started, the journey of life on the earth is a important one that. So it is the third lessons, life on the earth, page number 12. 3 points are there: formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth, and the animal world on the earth. Like in the say points are there. So first of all, we shall study about the first one point, that is formation of the earth, how our earth was formed, that how it came into be exist, how it started, origin of the earth, or the base structure of the earth, that main beginnings, base of the earth, that pillar of the earth, how it started, that we'll learn. Formation, that how it formed, formation means how it formed, that we are learning there. For example, what is there means there are some questions we all wonder about. There are many questions are there in our mind, and we all are wonder about these questions, that number of the questions are there related with the earth, and we are wondering or we are thinking about these question, that to about these answers. Among that, the how our earth was formed, it is also one question, that how life came or how life started. Along with that, what is there, we also think about that means how the living things in that human beings, how they came into be exist, that first of all who born that. So in a Christians mythology, there is some examples are there, or some of that beliefs are there. First of all, Adam and Eve was born there on the earth. So in this way, their own opinions are there. There are some questions are there in our mind related or about we are wonder about the earth, that for example, how did the earth on which we live came to be. First question is there in our mind, that how our or how did the earth on which we live came to be, that how our earth came there, where we are living on the earth, that so how did this earth form. It is the biggest question in our mind, that how it came to be, that when did that happen. Next question, what is there in our mind, when did that happen. We are here, but we know about it so many years ago, information also we know, but before that also there was a no, when there were no people that times information there. Before that also earth formed, that how it formed, that when did it happen. This is, was it always the way see it today, or has it undergone changes there. So how our world look today, that or how we look, how we see our world in present time, is it like same only from the ancient time or from the past time. It is also one question, that or is there any changes where there at that time, or now up to now there are number of the changes we have seen. So earth goes underwent, or it goes on continuously changing. So this question is there because present time earth situation or the condition is different, and before so many years ago is different, that so when there were no human beings or the living thing, that time's condition of the situation, how it was there, that is also important questions there. So how it formed, that if it has changed, what exactly are those changes. If it has changed that, then what are the exactly the changes are there, what exactly that, which changes we have seen, that exact changes that. So it is also question that, so if our earth is not same now, then there were many changes were there at that time, that or in present time if we compare them. So how the changes occur there. There is also question there. So situation of the earth is not same that all the time that. So this is the first paragraph, that in this first paragraph what they give, that there are questions are there, how our earth formed that, or where do we live, how it came to be exist, when did that changes took place, or when did the living things came on the earth, was our earth was always same only, or if or it went underwent or it undergone changing continuously there, if it has changed, then what was the exactly the condition at that time. So these are some of the questions are there, and we are trying to find out the our question means the answers of our questions in this lesson. So many questions are there related to the formation of the earth, and each and every person's what is their opinion is a little bit different with the formation of the earth. So in this first point we are learning just how our earth was formed, that the beginning of earth formation. So that is only that we are learning the lesson. Our lesson name is also same only, life on the earth, how life came into exist on the earth, that how it started that. Because when the life was started that time, obviously men or the women were not means they not born at that time. Before that also some other living things were there, and also we have heard about the different animals, live those who lived on the earth. Among that dinosaurs also name we have heard that. So how the dinosaur came to exist, or how they extinct, that also. And some of the number of the other the living things are there, or the organisms are there, they also how they came, that is also important. So these informations are uh, along with that some of the other informations we are learning. So for today we'll stop here only, and when we'll come tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then we'll take the next one point. Till at that time you do one thing, you read out this lesson minimum at least 2 3 times. It is one of the easiest lesson from the fifth standard of your first semester, that or up to the Diwalis. Too much easy it is that, and it is easy to understand also, and you like it to read that. All information is there here, so if you read you will get the benefit of this. So till at the time just revise it. Thank you very much, and if you have the doubt, then you can ask me by sending the text message, okay, or on WhatsApp. Thank you.